Hello, honey.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Paula.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
How are you today?
I'm 10 years.
Yeah, today I'm very well. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Ukraine.
Me too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, today we have a test. Are you ready?
Go.
Go. Okay, so look at the picture and answer me. What animal is it?
Stop.
It is a dog.
Stop.
What animal is it?
It's a cow.
Have the cow. Does the cow have 2 legs?
Leg.
Yes or no?
No.
No. Does the cow have 5 legs?
Leg.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, are you sure the cow has 4 legs or 5 legs?
Leg.
No, it's 4 legs. Okay, so what animal is it?
It's a chicken.
Great job. What animal is it? Is the cat happy or is the cat sad?
Happy.
What animal is it?
Duck.
A duck? What color the duck?
Leg.
Is the duck white? Yes or no?
No, it's
No. Is the duck yellow?
Yes.
Yes, right. Okay, so what animal is it? Bird. What animal is it? Tree. What animal is it? Rabbit. What does a rabbit have? The rabbit has 4 and 2 ears. What animal is it? Pig. What animal is it? Goat. You do like the goat? Yes. Okay, now can you read it?
Animal farm.
Oh, okay.
Animal farm. Animal.